To replace the battery in a 2006-2013 Lexus IS350 key fob, first locate the slot on the edge of the fob, typically on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool to gently pry it open, being careful not to force it and crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note its orientation. The positive side is usually facing up. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, as marked in the compartment. Snap the fob halves back together securely. Test the fob by pressing buttons near the vehicle to ensure lock-unlock functions work. Always use a 3V CR2032 battery to avoid short circuits or reduced functionality. This is the only battery type that works correctly with your key fob. Work on a non-conductive surface to prevent static discharge that could damage the key fob's electronics. Consider applying dielectric grease to the battery contacts to prevent corrosion, especially in humid climates where moisture can damage the connection. Avoid over-tightening or using the wrong tools, as this can damage the fob housing or internal components. Ensure the battery polarity is correct to prevent damaging the circuit. The positive side should face up as marked. Properly dispose of the old battery to avoid environmental harm. Take it to a battery recycling center. If the fob has an emergency key, handle it carefully during the process to avoid losing or damaging it.